Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable remote play on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So this is very simple if you want to use this on your phone or maybe even your computer. So let's go on over to settings right here on our account and then scroll on down to system. Then we have an entire category just for remote play. We can go to the right and go to enable remote play. And then you need to select the appropriate user. So I got everything check marked. If it's to the right, that means it's enabled. And then we can go on down and do this for everyone on our account. It looks like I have a few of them that are not check marked. So we can go back now and look at the other options. So we can see pair device. If we want to go and connect it without being on the same Wi-Fi or something like that. So I could literally be halfway across the world, connect on my phone or on my computer via Wi-Fi to my PlayStation back home, and it works actually decently, as long as the latency isn't too high, and you directly connect your PlayStation 5 to the wall with a cable. Then we have hide remote play connection status, so you're not going to see it pop up, I'm connected to this computer, etc., like it was before. So you have those options right here. And you can look at the connection history, which is kind of interesting. Who was connecting? I was connecting to my PlayStation right here. And it only gives me like the last 4, so I can't see everything. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.